Fix in 5. P0550. Power steering pressure sensor, switch circuit malfunction, electrical S, medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Power steering system inoperative or reduced assist. Difficulty turning the steering wheel, especially at low speeds. Check engine light illuminated. Engine may hesitate or run roughly under load. Now the most likely causes. Defective power steering pressure sensor, switch. Electrical wiring harness damage or corrosion. Loose or corroded electrical connectors at sensor. Low or contaminated power steering fluid. Power steering pump failure or blockage. Here's how a pro pins it down. Connect an OBD2 scanner and record all stored codes in. Check and clear codes. A persistent code indicates an active. Inspect all visible power steering sensor, switch wiring in. Check sensor voltage and ground references with a digital. Verify power steering system hydraulic fluid level and QA, if possible. What does it cost? Roughly €45 minus 120 doing it yourself, or Euro 109 to 184 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace power steering pressure sensor, switch with OEM part. Clean or replace damaged electrical connectors. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness sections. Flush and refill power steering system fluid. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, will P0550 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0550 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0550. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.